What makes Aglonema the perfect low-maintenance houseplant? We might travel frequently and forget to water our plants. Whatever the reason, we need a plant that can adapt and survive with minimal fuss. For those who tend to forget to water their plants from time to time, a low-maintenance option is a must. And let's be honest, who hasn't killed a plant or two due to overwatering? It's a common mistake, but one that can be avoided with the right plant. Some plants require constant pruning, repotting, or fertilizing, which can be overwhelming. So, having a plant that can thrive with infrequent care is a game changer. This is especially true for busy people or those new to plant care. Aglonema's adaptability to various light conditions is one of its standout features. Whether your space is brightly lit or has more subdued lighting, Aglonema can handle it. This flexibility makes it perfect for rooms that don't get a lot of direct sunlight. Aglonema also doesn't need frequent watering, which is a huge plus for those who tend to forget to water their plants. Its leaves are also pretty resilient to pests, which means you won't have to worry about constant pest control. Moreover, Aglonema comes in a variety of beautiful patterns and colors, making it a stylish addition to any room. Its attractive foliage can add a pop of color and texture to your space, making it a great decorative piece. The combination of its striking appearance and easygoing nature makes Aglonema a top pick for anyone looking for a hassle-free houseplant. You get the best of both worlds, a beautiful plant that's also incredibly low maintenance. In summary, Aglonema's low maintenance requirements, adaptability, and stunning beauty make it the perfect choice for anyone looking for a hassle-free houseplant. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or just starting out, Aglonema is definitely worth considering. If you're an Aglonema owner or have experience with other low-maintenance plants, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other video on houseplant care tips for more advice on keeping your plants happy and thriving. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.